guys, what's up? COD Podcast 1 2 a day. This video will be about how to make your sound effects for Windows Movie Maker, and if you make movies. First, let's go to sorry. So they have weather, weapons and armed, video game sound, vehicle sounds, theme songs and singings and all that, and machine comedy skips, human sounds, cartoon, all, and most popular sound effects. Even you can search, so you can search up all of this. So yes. So there's one. And so let's go to Windows Movie Maker, Windows Live Movie Maker, and let me show you a video. Well, actually, I really don't know where it is. I think I didn't save it, but you know, I made one that that it goes here. So yes, actually Max, I'm the COD Puncher. This one part of this, and he's the second part of this, and he actually found this and told me about it, and we made Nerf for the movie. I think he put it on his or this one, I don't really know. So yeah, but we'll see you guys later and make another